Good morning, my name is Sir Dave and welcome to my class.
So in this video, I will show you how to insert text boxes. So text box allows you to add text anywhere in the document. You also use a text box to create a pre-designed pull quotes or sidebars. To insert a text box, so go to Insert tab, okay, and then the text group here. You can go to text box. Okay, then select one of the pre-formatted text boxes from the list. You can choose more text boxes from office.com here, or click draw text box. So if you click draw text box, click anywhere in the working area and then drag to draw the text box in the size that you want. Okay. Insert text box again. The auto text. No, sorry. The text box. This is the simple text box. You can click the Austin code. Okay, and then you can add your code there. So for example, do so. There you are.
That's all for today. God bless.